What if I told you that there's a defense stock that could explode in value, and yet nobody is talking about it on YouTube or watching it? In a world of rising global tension, this company is quietly making billion-dollar moves. So if you guys are looking for a high growth investment opportunity, this defense stock could be the one, could be the game changer. In this video, I'll break down the number one defense stock to buy right now and the reasons why it could double in its value and why it's flying under the most investors' radar. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So the high growth defense stock which we are going to talk about in this video is Rheinmetall. It's a German company, and in this video we'll discuss the following: the company's financials, risk and catalysts, and then my price prediction and my personal strategy. So let's talk about this underrated stock. So for those guys who are not aware about this stock, and I know that many of my viewers might be quite surprised that I'm bringing up this new company to your attention. So Rheinmetall AG is a holding company which engages in the provision of development and sales of components, systems and services for the security and civil industries. The company is headquartered in Düsseldorf and currently employs 28,000 full-time employees. The company went IPO in 2008, so it's not a new company. The company's focus is on security, technology and mobility solutions. The company operates through two segments and five divisions such as defense and automotive segments. The vehicle systems, electronic solutions and weapon and ammunition divisions are operating under the security and defense segment, and the sensors and actuators and materials and trade divisions supply under automotive segment. So they have two big segments, the defense and the automotive segment. Now the vehicle segment division activity areas are armored tracked vehicles, chemical, biological, radiological and nuclear protection equipments for the military and defense. So with that being said, I know many of you guys might not have heard about this company, but for those who have heard about this company, I'm gonna explain why me and my Patreons are buying Rheinmetall right now. Okay, so let's jump on to the quarterly one earning report. Okay, so here we are on the quarter 1 2025 results. The first part, which is quite interesting, is right here. Sales grew up by 46%, out of which the defense segment grew by 73%, guys. 73% year over year. The operating result was up by 49%, out of which defense was up by 96%. Operating margin in total for the whole business was 8.7%, but the defense was 11.5%. And we'll dig deeper into the operating margin, business by business, segment by segment. Operating free cash flow, this is one of the most important things and where the business has skyrocketed, and that's why the stock price is up by 40% this year. So the operating free cash flow was up by 300%. And we will get on to the reason why it was up by 300%. So we should not get excited about this because this eventually will come down to a significant lower value, but still a really good operating free cash flow, which we will be seeing for the next 5 to 6 years. And we have to consider that because for our evaluation model. Now, apart from that, the backlog, the Rheinmetall backlog was up by 56%. And this is quite important for us to know because this is how we will consider our future stock price, okay? Because the business is not going to slow down now any longer. So the next part, closing the gaps, Rheinmetall best position for key demand areas, and this is huge. So this is one of the important reasons why we are buying Rheinmetall right now, because Germany is planning to spend a lot on its defense. The budget plan is out for the defense segment and they are going to put a lot of money, and we will get onto that as well, how much is the exact amount on infrastructure and defense. So financing defense expenses is going to be more than 1% of the total GDP. So in the air defense, digitalization and ammunition, which is everything about, and Rheinmetall is everything about this, okay? And in Europe, readiness up to 2030, 800 billion euro package, which consists of air missile defense, artillery systems, ammunition and missiles, drones and UAS, military mobility, and etc., which again is in favor of Rheinmetall. Now this is quite important because this tells us that Rheinmetall has huge opportunities for the future, even if they don't have the new contracts, but they will have new contracts because of the new budget planned by Germany and Europe. So European Union. So quarter 1 2025, we can see right here the order backlog was increased by 66% from 32 billion euros to 54 billion euros for the next 4 years planned activities. Okay, and Germany accounts for more than 90% of the total defense frame contractors. So this is huge. This is huge, guys, for Rheinmetall. So those were some catalysts which are going to be there, and we will discuss some more catalysts. But before that, let's talk about the financials, because financials are quite important for us. And this is why we are considering this company, because this is not on the most expensive side right now. And in this market, we have to find those stocks which can bear tariffs issues or all the economic issues and the macroeconomic situations. And considering the current macroeconomic situation, what is happening in the world, Rheinmetall is positioned for high growth. Okay, so excellent start to the year, the presentation says. So the sales were up by 46%, like we know. Defense sales rose by 78% of total sales. And the operating margin, defense margin, was up by 11.5%. So as we see, the total margin was up by 49%, and the results in the defense segments were almost doubled. So this is quite positive, and Rheinmetall is all about defense sector. So this is what we have to keep our eyes on. And this is the actual segment on which we will base our valuation model, because this is a segment which is going to grow like huge. So now, like I said earlier in this video, that we will go on to the operating margin segment by segment, business segment divisions. So vehicle systems grew by 93% sales, and operating margin for the vehicle systems were up by 115%. Weapon and ammunition sales grew up by 66%, and the operating margin was up by 117%. Electronic solutions sales were 49%, and the operating margin grew up by 56%. Only the power system segment was a bit down, so sales were not that good, down by 7%, and operating margin were down by 70%. So this is a really small segment for the business. So even if it's getting a big hit, that doesn't mean anything, because the rest of the bigger segments are almost up by 100%, which is actually the result for the huge top line growth for Rheinmetall. Okay, now this slide tells us that Rheinmetall is not going to slow down anytime soon. So Rheinmetall nomination, which is the backlog, so we can see that the Rheinmetall nomination is up by 181% and backlog is up by 56%. So they still have so much of backlog in billions of euros that they still have to cover. And of course, this might result in some cancellation of the contracts, some non-important cancellation of the contracts. They have to set their priorities, but this also means for us investors that they have huge growth potential. And we can see from the valuation as well at what multiples Rheinmetall is actually trading right now, because people are paying a huge premium for this business. And that's not just for any reason, okay? Because of the growth. So now the most important part. This was the Q1 result, but what about the outlook of the company? Does the outlook seems good? It of course does. So first of all, this is another catalyst. Lockheed Martin, another giant in the defense industry, and Rheinmetall has come up with a joint venture. So European Center of Excellence for Manufacturing and Distribution of Various Rockets and Missiles. So they have decided on a joint missile venture to production capacity to produce up to 10,000 missiles per annum. Yes. And then the ICI with Rheinmetall has also collaborated. So here the focus will be of manufacturing of SAR satellites with Rheinmetall. So these are few of the catalysts, which is amazing for Rheinmetall because they have huge backlog plus these joint ventures. So this is what I'm trying to tell you guys, that Rheinmetall has no headwinds in the coming 5 to 10 years. No headwinds at all. The only thing what could happen is their backlogs that could affect, because they only have a particular amount of production environment, but that could also be covered by the Germany's budget plan. So they could have more manufacturing plants and more manufacturing strength, and that could really bring Rheinmetall up in the picture. Okay, so next, now the full year guidance is quite amazing. Sales to grow by 35 to 40%. So until now they have been quite consistent with their outlook. Now operating margin to be at 15.5%, up from 11.5%. Amazing. So earlier we saw that the operating margin for the whole business was 11.5%, and how? Right here, this is the whole detailed explanation. Vehicle systems 8.5%, weapon and ammunition 19.3%, electronic solutions 6.3%, power systems only 1.8%, but that doesn't matter. So the whole as a group, Rheinmetall group, was having an operating margin of 8.7%, where defense was 11.5%. So Looking at the balance sheet, it looks quite good. So the total number of assets are sitting at 14 billion euros and the total liabilities are just at 7 billion euros, which is quite good to see. So that's not a problem at all. Now let's look at some numbers which we will have to know before we jump onto the valuation model. So here we can see the earnings before taxes is up by 32%, but earnings after taxes is up by 27.8% if we look into the continued operations, okay? Total earnings after taxes is up by 36.8%, but we will take the continued operations earnings, that would be around 28%. Now, why I'm taking this number into consideration? So that brings us to the valuation model for Rheinmetall, for this particular company, for this particular stock, high growth stock, and let's talk about it. So now to discuss, I'm taking continued operation as the percentage growth metric, so 27 to 28%. Now why? To calculate our future stock price. So the current earnings per share for Rheinmetall is around 15 euros, or let's say $15. So if we take this metric growth into consideration, so investment, initial investment $15, length of time years is 5 years, and estimated return is 28%. So a growth rate of 28%, like we saw, yeah, in the earnings operation earnings, and that brings us to an amount of $51, about, let's say 50 euros, okay? Now, price to earnings ratio for Rheinmetall right now is 107, okay, 107. And future price to earnings is 86. So like I said, people are paying a huge premium for Rheinmetall, but we will be quite conservative in this sense. So we will take a price to earnings of 50, and that brings us to a future stock price of 2,500 euros. The current stock price is at 1694. That is still a huge upside potential of 40 to 50%, more than 50%. So this is one way of looking into the valuation model. Now let's go into a much more detailed explanation, okay? So here we are on the DCF model. I'm taking operating cash flow into consideration, and operating cash flow has been growing by 27%, 24 to 25%, but the future outlook seems to be huge. So I will take 27% into consideration. And the dividend growth rate is at 30 to 31%. And the price ratio is quite conservative, but let's take this conservative price because this was the average last 5 years multiple for the operating cash flow for Rheinmetall. And that brings us to a future stock price of 2,800 euros, which is a potential of 66%, upside potential of 66%. So it's quite near like our price to earnings multiple if we take earnings per share multiple and the price to earnings multiple for that, earnings per share metric and price to earnings multiple for that. And that still gives us a compound annual growth rate of 11.36%. But I do believe that this is still like, conservative, to be honest. I do think that they could be trading at 24 to 25 multiple, and that is like almost 100% upside potential for Rheinmetall in the next 5 years with a compound annual growth rate of 15%. So that beats the market. Even with the conservative multiple of 21, we are still beating the S&P 500, 11% year over year. So this is why I am buying Rheinmetall, guys. This is why I do think this is the #1 defense stock and a really good high growth investment. And yeah, that's all for this video, guys. And I hope you liked this video, and I hope you liked the concept, and I hope you liked that I brought you a new stock which no one is talking about. And don't miss out on this video because this could be the next big thing, guys, really. So subscribe for more for such underrated stocks and wealth building tips every week. And I'll see you in the next one. By the way, there are some more high growth investment opportunities which you could have a look right here, really. We are investing in these companies as well. Me and my patrons, we are up by almost 40 to 50% on our whole portfolio. Yes, we just needed a small upside push on the market and we are up. And that's because we have done some good investments and some good choices. So I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy, and ciao.